Okay, so this video is day 8 of the bedroom and bathroom remodel in here, and I'm going to be taking out a toilet. Who do you think is smarter, me or a water supply line? And then I'm also removing a bunch of tile and the Durock backer board behind that. So I'll show you how to remove Durock backer board using just a hammer, as long as it's installed with roofing nails. And I'll also show you what happens if your gloves have a hole in it and you carry around sharp pieces of tile. Coincidentally, I was playing soccer today and I got a cut on my eye. I don't know if you can see that. So I just checked how many subscribers I have. I'm at 11 subscribers right now. So we can easily double that. I think we can easily get that up to 22 subscribers. So please hit the subscribe button. Can't wait to show you guys some of the future videos that I'm going to have. A lot of different types of projects when we get into the actual construction phase. I'm going to show you what it looks like for do-it-yourselfer to take on a lot of different stuff. Not just painting and carpet, but actual electrical, plumbing. We're going to do everything in here. You know, as you can see, it's pretty much going down to the studs. There's going to be a lot of work to put this back together. My thing is, I don't want to not do something myself just because I'm too scared to figure out how, or I don't know what it takes. You know, if it's something I don't know how to do, then I want to figure it out and at least know what goes into it and if it's something that I can take on or not. That's what I'm going to try to show you, is all the steps that go into a project like this. You know, there may be some things that you think you can do that are actually, there's a lot more that goes into it than what you realize, or there may be something that you think you can't do that really is very easy. So if you are thinking about doing some projects, or you know someone who's starting on a project, why don't you share this video with them? The deal with my wife is if I can get up to 1,000 subscribers, then I can get some better video equipment. So if you want to see the quality improve, then help me get to that point. All right, it's time to get this toilet out of here. And the first thing I'm going to do is get as much of the water out as I can. So first of all, I'm going to turn off the water here. Even though the whole water to this whole bathroom is turned off anyway. Alright, and drain everything from the tank down. Not even taking the toilet off, just from draining the P-trap, I can already smell the sewer gases starting to come up. So once I get this toilet off of here, I'm going to use this sponge to clog it up. Once I get this off of here, I'll use some combination of tape and plastic to cover the drain hole. Oh, that's too bad. I just forgot to take the little water line off. Look at how dusty it is. Dang. Alright, now the mirror was pretty glued to the wall, so I couldn't figure out how to get it off without breaking it, so I ended up just bashing that whole wall in with the mirror on it. So there's little pieces of glass all over here, so I'm going to get that cleaned up. Alright, next step is to get all the tile out of here. Alright. That took a little less than an hour. Kind of sucked. Could rent a tool that would make that go a lot faster. But usually just trying to get the job done however I can. Alright, now I gotta get all this out of here. New gloves. This one the fingers ripped and got cut. finger. Step 2, take the glove. Much more better. Trying to get all this Durock, cement or whatever, out of here. And the strategy I came up with that worked so far over here is finding the nails with a magnet, and then once I find it, then using this using the claw of the hammer to dig some of the mortar and crap out of the way, and then prying the nail out. So I think if I go around and I can pull out all the nails like this, then the board should come right up. Alright, gotta finish this thing before the GoPro runs out of juice. Let's see. Some of the, yeah, it's coming along, kind of sucks, slow and painful, but some of these are a little bit tougher to get out near the wall. It's hard to get the right angle, but sometimes I'm just, a few of them over here, I don't think I actually got the nail out. I kind of just chopped up enough around it that it came off of it because the board was destroyed. And then one over here, the head of the nail actually popped off. But it's in here with, it looks like it's, I think it's a roofing nail. That's what it looks like to me. I don't know if this was ever a standard way to install this stuff. noticed the nails near the shower are kind of all rusted out, so you can see a lot of water got down in there. Oh. Alright, there we go. Pretty much got this whole bathroom taken apart now.